You ready for some flashlights? I got 2 new ones to show you. Join me. Time out, everybody. I just want to make a quick announcement that I do wash my hands, I promise. I have been working in the shop. I changed an axle, I changed some skylights, and I did some grease work, and I could not get the stuff out. I tried to wash. I washed my hands with every scrub brush known to man, but it's 3 days later, and I'm editing, and I noticed how my hands look dirty. I'm sorry, but I promise they're clean. It's not quite dark enough out here to really show you the power of these things, but I will come back out in a minute and show you how bright these things are. Now, what I do like about it is both of them come with this little L bracket that you've got double-sided tape, and it comes with extra sticky tape, but you can stick this thing to a wall somewhere nearby, like your front door, and it magnets right to it like that, which is nice. And that comes with both the Baton 4 and the Ultra. They both come with a high rated magnet red charging cable here. The Ultra has a little bit brighter light, and they're both about the same weight. The Ultra lasts a little bit longer. It's just it's a different LEDs in the end. It's really the main difference in the color, obviously. But I like, from the pocket perspective, it'll clip on from the top, or it will clip on facing down, so you can clip it on either direction. I really like that feature. As I said in a previous video about the Olight proprietary battery, one of my least favorite aspects is that, because if you have a battery that goes bad or dead or something like that and you can't recharge it again, you have to reach out to Olight to get their proprietary blend. I like that if you're looking in an area and you just want a quick look, you hold the button down, shine the light, and then let go and it goes away. I like that it has the side button and the tail button. That's really, really neat feature. I did not realize that until I read the instruction manual. Really fantastic piece of gear, super lightweight, fits nicely in your hands. The grips on the side are really cool. I got so many flashlights, I don't know which ones to keep now. Cool flashlight, really handy, fits in your pocket, fits on the side. I got my work shirt on right now. I can go here, go in my side pocket, go in my back pocket. It can hook either direction. It is, again, it's magnetic, so it sticks to things. It sticks to whatever metal surface you have, so if you need to hook it on something. And for some of us who fail to plan properly and bring the proper headlamp and things like that, if you did have to hold this thing in your mouth, it's not that heavy, and you're not going to chew through it or things like that. So it is a great thing like that. If you need to hold and do something with your hands, or better yet, if you're wearing a hat, you can just clip it on your hat like this. It works like a headlamp, and it's not so heavy that it pulls your hat off. Anyway, cool light. Thanks again to Olight for sending these out to test these things out. The Ultra is brand new on the market. From my understanding, it was just released like this week or so. But I was able to get my hands on both of these, the Baton 4 and the Ultra. Feels great, very ergonomic, very close, very similar flashlights. But if you need one with a little bit brighter, or you want a little bit more reach, check out the brand new Ultra or the Pro 4 here. It's a pretty cool light too. Great little light, and I'm very impressed again with all the things this company makes. I have not found one item that they make yet that I have not been thoroughly impressed with. So really grateful for them, and really grateful for all the cool stuff they make. All right, it's not quite dark yet here, but I think I can show you what both lights can do. I want to go to the moon first. So you can see the two circles there. This one on the right is the Ultra. This one on the left is the 4 Pro. So the Moonlight is a little bit brighter and a little bit more focused on the Ultra. Now we go to steady on. So again, Ultra on the right, 4 Pro on the left. It's, again, a little bit more focused of a light, but it is brighter white. And this one's more, not as bright. If I hold them down, you can see the low, medium, and high cycles. That Ultra is a little bit brighter. And if we go with the back of the lights and we just hit it here, it goes to automatically bright. So shine on that tree over there. Turn my camera a little bit so you can see what's the 4 Pro is showing on the tree. And now bringing in the other one. So it's more concentrated and a little bit brighter white. A little bit, it shines farther away. So this one's a little bit more scattered, a little bit more focused, but also brighter. And it gets warmer. Like the tip of the Ultra is hotter than the tip of the 4 Pro. Not like melt your backpack bright or hot, but still pretty warm. Both great lights. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have an awesome day. Bye.